Hey guys, just Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing outside our lovely new listing. This one is 114 Randall Ave in West Hartford, Connecticut. It's a beautiful remodeled 4-bedroom, 1 full bath, 1-car detached garage home. It's got updated kitchen, updated bath, nice hardwood floors throughout, brand new water heater, new windows, nice and energy efficient with gas heat. Close to West Hartford Center and shopping, close to I-84, yet tucked away in a sweet little neighborhood with all of these great sidewalks here to get you everywhere. It's got a nice private backyard and deck with an additional heated sunroom as well. So just over 1,500 square feet total. This one is hitting the market in just a few days. It is priced at $2,600 a month. You're not going to want to miss this property. Everything has been redone, easy living, nice, neat, and clean, close to everything, and just a sweet, sweet little home. So if you're looking for a rental opportunity, this one is it right here in West Hartford Center. Give us a call, 860-325-2484, or you can visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.